Welcome to Happiness Kitchen. Today I have a traditional Syrian recipe, vegan, healthy and tasty recipe for you. I'll be making stuffed grape vine leaves that can be served as an appetizer or a main course. In this video I will show you how to make the filling, fill in the leaves and roll them, and most importantly how to cook them using instant pot. All ingredients will be in the description box. Please remember to like, subscribe and click the bell button to receive all the notifications. For the filling, we fry the onions with the salt in olive oil. Then we add the washed rice and mix on medium heat. Add all the spices and mix. Add the parsley and mix. Then we add the tomatoes and mix them. After that, we add the lemon juice and the pomegranate molasses. It's optional if you would like to add a teaspoon of Arabic coffee to the mixture. Add the water, cover the filling and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. In this video we are using vine leaves that are prepared in brine. To prepare the vine leaves, remove it from the jar, opening each segment, placing it in a pan and adding hot boiled water. Repeat the same steps until the jar has finished. To start filling and rolling the vine leaves, get a leaf, place the rough side to the top and the smooth side to the bottom as shown in the video. Place a teaspoon of rice onto the leaf horizontally as shown. To roll it, fold in the right side vertically, then the left side, hold firm and drop. Keep on following the steps until all the mixture has finished. Vine leaves can come in different sizes. This is completely fine. You can mix and match between the sizes. For instance, if there is a leaf with a hole, you can cover the hole using another leaf before filling and rolling. Some leaves may come with extra bits left on it. It's fine, just remove any extras and continue as usual. As you can see, our rolled vine leaves are ready. To prepare for cooking, add some water. Then place the thick cut potato slices, roughly 1 centimeter thick, at the bottom of the pan. Then place the rolled stuffed leaves in the pan as shown in the video. This is an 8-liter pan. If you are using a smaller pan, use less ingredients. It does not have to be an instant pot. You can use a normal pressure cooker to cook this dish. It will take different time and settings as well. Place a heavy weight securely. This weight is made of clay or porcelain, especially for this type of dish. Place the pan in the big cooking pan to start cooking. To make the broth, add the lemon juice, pomegranate molasses and the extra virgin olive oil to the water and mix. Add it to the pan. The heavy weight needs to be covered with broth. If not covered completely, add some extra water. Close the instant pot. Make sure the seal is on. Using the meat setting on high pressure for 25 minutes. On the screen it will display on. That means it's starting to heat up. Once the pressure is on, the timer will turn on the screen. All the steps are shown on the video. After that, you make sure that nothing is covering the valve or the pink button. then for 25 minutes. Once the 25 minutes is up, let it rest for 10 minutes. You can release the pressure manually as shown in the video. Please remember to use a spoon and keep your hands away from the release valve to protect your hand from being burned. Remove the pan from the big pan using gloves. Remove the broth by pouring it into a bowl. This step may need 2 people to complete. Then remove the heavy weight once you have removed all the broth. Using the big serving dish, you can now flip the pan upside down, being careful that it is very hot, onto the serving dish. Make sure before removing the pan to remove any extra broth and pour it into the bowl. Once the pan is removed, as shown in the video, reorganize the set if needed. Our dish for today is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and click the bell button to receive notifications. For any suggestions, please put them down in the comment box. Thanks for watching.